Shona Ferguson's secrets to success. He is living his best life. Producer Shona Ferguson and his wife Connie Ferguson have always been goals from their business, their marriage, and the finer things in life they enjoy. We have always wanted to know what the secret to their success is, while Uncle Sho admits that a huge part of his success has been through manifestation. Mr. Ferguson recently took to Instagram to drop a motivational message for his followers. In the post, he encouraged his followers to use the power of the universe to achieve their goals. The image showed Shona's hand reaching out into the sunlight, whilst also making to show off his Bomberg Man's Bolt 68 45mm watch, which retails at approximately $10,000. Shona captioned the image with, "I reached for it in my dreams. I caught it in reality." Friends and family immediately began posting in the comments section, with Winnie Chaba stating, "That's where it starts, my brother. I always say you can't feature in the future you didn't picture." Fans couldn't help but compliment his drip either, with many sharing their love for his taste in watches and accessories. With Botswana routing for the rags to riches star, Shona has openly shared his successes with his fans, who are happy to see the numerous assets he possesses. In a recent post, the trailblazing TV producer rewarded himself with a custom-made diamond chain made by his trusted jeweler. He thanked his jeweler in an appreciation post, while blasting trap music in the background like the real og that he is. "Appreciation post for my jeweler Axel Diamond. You always come through with every custom piece you've made for me. Bless you and keep rising," he stated. The pristine diamond chain looks quite expensive and had the Ferguson Films logo on it. The fine details look extremely impeccable. Shona is never afraid to spend on himself or his family. He has the money and knows how to use it. With his talent and his numerous streams of revenue, Shona has amassed a lot of wealth along the way that helps maintain his expensive lifestyle. His net worth is estimated to be $1.5 million. Shona Ferguson is one man who seems unstoppable and is on a path to become great and keeps becoming great. His talents have shown off, and that's why he lives so lavishly with his family. Nothing will stop to pursue his dreams.
Yeah.